One tick of flaps. Got the Dynam Cessna 310. Gears are up, flaps are up. Little cooler morning. And of course when I got out here the retracts didn't work. So I had to set it upside down in the sun and let it warm them up a little bit, and then they started working. That's one of the drawbacks of these Dynam retracts. It's a really good scale flying plane. Very, very slow, but it's only flying on a 3S 2200. But she flies very scale. A lot of fun, especially if you put some carbon spars in the wing. That stiffens them up a little bit. She's very slow. I find myself flying at 70 to 80% throttle the entire flight, especially in the turns. Here's a high speed, low pass. There's maximum throttle. You get a pretty good flight on it. I fly this on a 3S 2200 Gens Ace, and you can squeeze in a Gens Ace 3000 in there. And with the 3000 you'll easily get 6 to 7 minutes depending on how you fly it. 2200 you'll get 4.5 5 minutes flying scale. If you max out the firewall you probably won't get that. Couple of cautions on this is the control surfaces are not very well glued in to the foam on the control horns, and then also this uses the captured rods via where it goes through a little pivot point and a screw comes out on top of the rod. And I've had the elevator one back off in flight, and I've had the rudder back off in flight. Rudder was not a big deal, because you don't really have to have the rudder to land it, but because it's got a steerable nose wheel. But when it lost the elevator linkage, that was a little more fun to get down in one piece. You had to really use your throttle to manage your altitude, and got it down luckily with no damages. I had one of these once before and wound up selling it just because I didn't like the way it flew. If you don't stiffen up the wings, it flies like a pool noodle. And our club president out here, Paul's got one. He showed me the carbon rods in his, so I bought the plane again and put the carbon rods in it. What a world of difference. What's up, Jimmy?
Oh, thanks for the help.
Oh, are you heading out?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, man. No, I'm good. Thank you very much. I'm trying to get rid of some of my Coke belly. Heading out already, huh? That's me. I'm going to make one more flight after this, and then I'm done.
Well, I'd probably stay a lot longer if the light was better.
Yeah. And I don't know about the metal detecting meeting tonight. That'll be a game time decision for me.
Oh, thank you for reminding me. Yes.
At this point, I'd say it's only 20% chance I'll go.
Okay.
I'm pretty tired. I went to the casino Monday night.
Shame on you.
Yeah, my wife and drove me up there. I couldn't drive that far anymore. Yeah, she drove me up there. And my son went and had a good time.
Did you?
Yeah. But didn't get a lot of sleep. We got a hotel room. And wife and son, wife went to bed about 10:30 or 11. Son made it till about 1. And then, you know, me, hardhead gambler, I was up till 6 o'clock down there gambling. And eventually I said, I got to go to bed. Went up to go to bed and got up at 8 o'clock and went back down there.
Oh my God. Not nearly.
Dynam Cessna 310. Thanks for watching.